Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a restraining order in Texas. First, determine if a protective order is appropriate for your situation. You will need to gather all relevant information and evidence, such as dates, locations, and descriptions of incidents. Next, identify the proper court, usually a district or county court, where you will submit your petition. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth filing process. Once you have your information, carefully complete the petition for protective order form. Ensure all details are accurate and clearly describe the reasons you need protection. Attach any supporting documents, like police reports or medical records, as exhibits. Then, file your completed petition with the court clerk. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, though you might qualify for a fee waiver if your income is below a certain threshold. After filing, the respondent must be legally served with the petition and notice of the hearing. This ensures they are aware of the proceedings. A constable or private process server typically handles this. You must then attend the scheduled court hearing. During the hearing, you will present your evidence and testimony to the judge. The judge will listen to both sides before making a decision about issuing the protective order. If the judge grants your protective order, carefully review all its terms and conditions. Understand what actions are prohibited and for how long the order is valid, which can be up to 2 years. Always keep a copy of the order with you for immediate reference. If the respondent violates any part of the order, immediately contact law enforcement. They can enforce the order and take appropriate action.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.